So hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, your go-to channel for the latest job opportunities and career tips. So if you're passionate about artificial intelligence and machine learning and making a real world business impact, then I've got a big news for you because JPMorgan Chase, which is one of the world's most respected financial institutions, is hiring for an associate AIML role right now in Bengaluru, India. So let's break down everything you need to know from the role, the skills required, and how you can apply. But before diving into details, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for onwards because once you apply subscribe, you'll keep getting 3 notifications daily on this particular YouTube channel, and also turn on the bell icon so you keep getting notifications. So now let's dive into the details. So as you can see, let's understand a little bit about the role. So okay, so yes, this is actually an exciting opportunity is within the HR data analytics team at JPMorgan Chase and a global unit that powers smart workforce decisions using advanced AI and ML solutions. So as an associate AI ML, your missions will be create and deploy machine learning models that drive measurable business results across the organizations. So you'll be working alongside top talents, building innovative data products, and helping shape the future of decision making in a 200-year-old institution known for its excellence in finance and technology. So let's discuss the key responsibilities at this particular organization. So as you can see, they have mentioned the job responsibilities for this particular role. So as a AIML data over the role, yes. So as an associate artificial intelligence and machine learning engineer, you will be involved into engaging with stakeholders to understand real business needs, developing scalable AIML models to solve those problems, along with collaborating with teams to take models from prototype to production, plus leading and mentoring within the AIML community and working on NLP, predictive modeling, and advanced analytics. Plus, you will also be involved into documenting model logic and ensuring transparency with stakeholders. So these are some of the responsibilities you have to perform once you join JP Morgan Chase as AIML machine learning engineer. So qualifications required for this particular role is going to be yeah. So the required qualifications is going to be something like master or as they have mentioned advanced degree in analytics. So even if you have a bachelor degree, it's I think it's okay. And so you at least minimum you should have a a bachelor degree in computer science or related field with strong command of Python libraries like deep learning basically, type PyTorch, TensorFlow, Scikit-learn, and Keras. Plus, you should have the solid grip on machine learning, supervised, unsupervised, and semi-supervised learning algorithms. And along with that, other algorithm that is involved into that, like random forest, all that decision tree. So many things are there. You might go into that, and you should have the familiarity with the data engineering tools as well, like Spark, Hive, and SQL. So bonus is if you have as you have seen they have mentioned preferred skill is that if you have a PhD degree in especially in data AI and machine learning, and financial service background is preferred also. So these are some of the preferred qualification. But even if you don't have this, if you have this, go for that and try to uh, grab it is wonderful opportunity and get a chance to work with such a prestigious company. So yeah, this was all about this skill sets required. And now let's discuss the why once you join JP Morgan Chase. So at JP Morgan Chase, you are not just working for a bank; you are just working on county cutting edge of tech in finance. So with over 200 years of legacy, they are investing heavily in innovations, people, and AI. Plus, their focus on diversity, inclusions, and career growth makes it a place where you don't just work but you thrive. So these are some of the reasons why you want to join JP Morgan Chase. So yeah, just go to the link in description. We have mentioned direct link to apply and apply as soon as possible before it expires. That they haven't mentioned the deadline, but yeah, it may expire anytime soon. So this is all about this wonderful opportunity, and if this job sounds like your next big move, then hit that like button to support the channel and subscribe to our channel for daily job updates because we're bringing 3 important hirings daily on this particular YouTube channel. And also you can comment below if you need any help with your resumes, or you can share with your friends as well who are looking to for this particular role into the AI and machine learning and all those stuff. So yeah, this was all about that. You can also join our Telegram and WhatsApp community channels for daily job updates because they bring more jobs out there. And yeah, that's it for this particular job update. I wish you all the best with your applications. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.